Hello and welcome, Light Code Guns here, and I'm showing you a tutorial on how to speed up your Android device and also save some battery. Well, one of the ways will actually slow your device down, however it will save you quite a bit of battery, and depends on how much you want to slow it down. However, this is only for rooted people. The whole video, the first part will be what you can do on a non-rooted device, and the second part will be with a rooted device. So yeah, let's get right into it. And first of all is the non-rooted section. So you go into settings first of all, and you go and you turn your these are just ways of saving. First, I'm going to talk you through them. Your Wi-Fi, turn it off when you're not when it's not in use. Mine's in use currently, so Bluetooth, turn it off when you don't need it. SIM cards. Nothing really. You can just turn them off if you don't need them. But I sometimes get calls on the other ones. So display, brightness. It's different on every phone, but yeah, keep the brightness lower. Usually keep it about there. My phone's got like slightly higher brightness than most. I believe so. Or I don't know whether it's a screen. Go to storage. You can go to cache data and click OK. Just click on it and OK to clear it. Location, keep it off. Backup, like stop the auto backup stuff. That'll so now the developer options. So just tap the build number a few times and it'll come with developer options. Oh, and one thing before the developer options, if you go into battery, this is just some tips on you can see which apps use it the most power. You can see that web browser there. It's just Firefox really, and the system UI don't take up that much, whereas phone idle and screen take up a little bit more. But and then the apps in between. Obviously, you'd expect these are the general things that take up battery. You can't really change them. Another thing you can do is put it on airplane mode if you know that you're not going to get any signal in that area, because the phone will keep searching for signal and it'll just drain the battery. And in developer options, you can turn the animations off. There you go. Animation scale, just click on them, off, done. Oh, and one last thing I forgot to mention in battery. You can put some phones have a battery saver. And another thing I forgot to mention in data usage, that's the SIM card I use for my data. You can select on an app and put restrict, so it'll only use it disable background data on mobile networks. But I'm going to disable that because I do use that app quite a bit. Streaming, well, saying that's it, they're all downloaded on my phone, but yeah, you get the point. And now we're going away from the settings menu, and these toggles can be quite useful. The ones that you have. This is my system UI. I got an UMI iron, by the way. You can download a thing called Clean Master. It's on the Play Store. It's free, so you can. No. Right. I can't really run this now. I'm just going to show you can click junk files and clean other junk files and phone boost. I'm not going to run them now, as it will stop the screen recorder that's going on in the background, which will hinder the video, and I won't save at all. And that's it really for the non-rooted stuff. Another thing I'd say is try and make phone calls and send text messages in an area where you've got more signal. So if you're going to walk through somewhere which hardly has any signal, you might want to stand outside for, just to get that little bit of extra power throughout the day. And for the rooted now, you can download a CPU controller. I got this no-frills CPU control, and you can put the max clock just a bit lower, like that. It's on default, it's at the highest. And I put it down to 819 megahertz and put the governor on power save. I forgot it's on automatically. And then just click apply on boot and apply. So now it will slow down the phone slightly. It's a bit laggy now because I've got a screen recorder running in the background, but it will run at normal speed. Well, it won't run at normal speed, obviously. It'll be slightly slower, and games might suffer a bit. You might want to put it up again for games, but depends what the game is. Like if it's graphics intensive or it's just like pressing stuff like Flow or something. And that pretty much covers it. I do not recommend those battery saver apps. I know I've got one on here, or I did have. They don't really work, to be honest. They just kind of use it. They use what they save, really. They're a bit neutral, especially on like older devices. They do use up a bit more.